All right, folks, let's talk Seattle, the Emerald City. It's green, really green. Like, did someone spill a kale smoothie? Green. Sure, Seattle's famous for coffee and rain, but there's so much more. This city gave us Nirvana, Amazon, and Microsoft, grunge, tech, and two-day shipping. Fun fact, Seattle has more houseboats than anywhere else in the US. People literally live on the water. The city is built on top of an older, buried city. After a fire in 1889, they just built everything one story higher. There's even a giant troll sculpture under a bridge, clutching a real Volkswagen Beetle. Only in Seattle. And get this, there are more dogs than children here. If you're a dog person, you'll fit right in. Seattle's got layers, shiny tech, weird history, and a quirky, creative vibe. You can be a billionaire CEO or a banjo-playing houseboat dweller. Both are welcome. The city's energy is a mix of laid-back chill and world-changing innovation. It doesn't take itself too seriously, even though it's changed the world. So get ready to explore a city that's as unique as it is green. Seattle is a place where weird is wonderful. Dive in, and you'll see why it's unforgettable. Let's get started. Time for the Seattle must-sees. First up, Pike Place Market. It's chaos in the best way. Vendors shouting, crowds buzzing, and fish flying through the air. Watch the fishmongers toss salmon, grab some fresh fruit, and soak up the energy. Next, the Space Needle. Built for the 1962 World's Fair, it's a retro-futuristic icon. Ride the elevator up for jaw-dropping views of the city, mountains, and water. Brave the rotating glass floor if you dare. It's the ultimate selfie spot. And don't miss the original Starbucks, right by Pike Place. The coffee's the same, but the history is what matters. See the old-school mermaid logo and snap a photo at the birthplace of a global coffee obsession. These three spots, Pike Place, Space Needle, Starbucks, are Seattle's heart. They're popular for a reason: local flavor, big views, and a love of coffee. Don't skip them. Embrace your inner tourist. Grab your camera, catch a flying fish, and sip a coffee where it all began. You'll get great stories and see why these places are iconic. Seattle's spirit lives in these landmarks. Go experience it. Packing for Seattle? Think layers. Seriously. The weather changes every 5 minutes. Sun, drizzle, clouds, repeat. Locals say if you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. Bring t-shirts, a sweater, and a waterproof jacket with a hood. Umbrellas? Not cool. Just use your hood. Waterproof shoes are a must. Nothing ruins a day like soggy socks. Seattle style is all about comfort: jeans, flannel, and sneakers. It's the unofficial uniform, perfect for coffee shops, hikes, or dinner. Leave the fancy clothes at home unless you have a special event. Think ready for a hike more than red carpet. Layers, waterproof gear, and flannel. Simple as that. You're not here to impress, you're here to explore. Pack smart, stay dry, and blend in with the locals. Save suitcase space for coffee beans and quirky souvenirs. Seattle's dress code: practical, cozy, and always ready for rain. You'll fit right in. Seattle runs on coffee, and not just Starbucks. Independent cafes are everywhere, each with its own vibe and expert baristas. Take time to savor a pour-over and watch the world go by. Seafood is a must. Start with clam chowder at Pike Place Market, especially in a bread bowl. Try the salmon, grilled, smoked, or baked. It's the best you'll ever have. Oysters are big here too. Find a happy hour and dig in. Seattle's food scene is global. Amazing pho, sushi, and especially teriyaki, the city's unofficial fast food. Local produce shines: apples, cherries, berries, fresh and delicious. The food here is all about local ingredients and simple, perfect flavors. Come hungry and be adventurous. Try what you can only get here. Have coffee from a new spot, eat chowder until you're full, and savor the salmon. Seattle's food reflects its spirit: fresh, diverse, and comforting. It's the fuel for exploring in the rain. Don't miss out. Your taste buds will thank you. Eat like a local, and you'll remember Seattle long after you leave. Before you go, ride a ferry. Seriously, take the ferry to Bainbridge Island for stunning skyline views and a peaceful escape. The return trip is free for walk-ons, a perfect cheap adventure. And about the rain, embrace it. The city glows in the drizzle, and everything feels cozier. Find a window seat in a coffee shop and watch the rain fall. It's pure Seattle. This city is all about contrasts. Tech hub meets small town, urban energy meets wild nature. You can see world-class art and hike a rainforest in the same day. Seattle encourages curiosity, a little weirdness, and slowing down to enjoy the simple things. It's more than a destination, it's a vibe. The smell of coffee, the sound of ferries, the sight of mountains, it all stays with you. Seattle will surprise you and make you want to linger. So go explore, ride the ferry, drink the coffee, and let the city work its magic. The Emerald City is unforgettable. You'll carry a piece of it with you wherever you go.